This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a BMW X5 air filter. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You will need a new air filter designed for your specific X5 model and a basic screwdriver, usually a Torx T25 or a flathead, depending on your vehicle's year. Having a clean cloth nearby can also be helpful for wiping any dust or debris. Now, let's find the air box. Open your BMW X5's hood and look for a large, black plastic box, often rectangular or square, located near the front or side of the engine. This housing protects the air filter. It usually has several clips or screws holding its cover in place. Take a moment to identify these fasteners. With the air box located, it's time to remove the old filter. Use your screwdriver to loosen any screws or unclip the metal or plastic clips holding the airbox cover. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the cover. You will see the old, often dirty, air filter inside. Carefully pull it straight out, noting its orientation. Finally, let's install your new, clean air filter. Place the new filter into the airbox, making sure it sits snugly and in the same direction as the old one. It should fit perfectly without any gaps. Once the new filter is in place, carefully lower the airbox cover and re-engage all the clips or tighten all the screws. Double-check everything is secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.